If you're looking for a seamless way to stream content from your devices to a larger screen, the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver with Type-C support is a fantastic option. This device is designed with the latest interface, making it compatible with the newest smartphones, tablets, and laptops without needing additional adapters. This convenience makes it ideal for both tech-savvy users and those who prefer simplicity. One of the best features of this wireless HDMI extender kit is its ease of use. You don't need to download any apps, drivers, or connect to Wi-Fi. Simply plug the transmitter into your device and the receiver into your TV, projector, or monitor, then connect to power. Within seconds, you'll be able to mirror your device's screen. This plug-and-play setup is perfect for those who want to avoid the hassle of complex installations. This device is perfectly great for movie nights or presentations where video quality matters. Plus, the device supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band technology, automatically selecting the optical mode based on your environment for faster transmission and longer range. Another significant advantage is the support for both screen mirroring and extend modes. For Windows users, pressing Windows plus P allows you to choose extend mode, while iOS users can press Command plus F1. This feature is incredibly useful for multitasking or using your TV as an additional display for your laptop. On the downside, this device does require the transmitter to be powered, which can be a minor inconvenience if your computer or device cannot supply power through the HDMI port. However, this can be easily solved by using an adapter or micro power interface. In conclusion, the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is a versatile and portable solution for anyone needing to stream content wirelessly.